Focus lang sa, you're talking about the IPs earlier. No? So, the ICT is a mandate for countryside development and what we call the ICT industry development. No? So, with our several programs focused on ILCDB, our training arm, we do have what we call the LAKIP initiative. The LAKIP initiative is yung online platform, free online platform that you can access online. And it's an inclusive program, walang pinipili. It is open to all marginalized sectors. Currently, we are implementing it to IPs within Region 10 and yung mga barangay health workers that needs digital literacy para dun sa mga work nila. Women, lahat-lahat ng marginalized sectors, we're targeting it right now. And not only that, but also OS-wise. And we have ongoing collaboration with ALS Camiguin so that we can extend our reach. No? So that is just one of our initiatives under the ILCDB. But if you want to learn more, to know more about our available programs for digital literacy trainings and job creation, you can visit our office and we can share it to you in detail.